If you want to clean up app data or reset usage stats, here's how to clear app usage data on your iPhone. First of all, reset screen time data. And for that, go to your settings app, then scroll down and tap on screen time. Again, scroll down and tap on turn off app and website activity. This will delete all app usage stats, and you can turn screen time back on to start fresh. After that, clear Safari browsing data. And for that, go back to the main settings menu, then scroll all the way down and tap on apps. Again, scroll down and tap on Safari. After that, just search for clear history and website data and tap on it. Then tap on clear history to remove Safari's usage history. And for apps like Instagram or YouTube, the only way to fully clear usage data is to delete and reinstall the app. And that's all. Whether it's screen time stats or app specific data, now you know how to clean it and start clean. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.